If you're wondering whether the 2027 KTM 790 Duke still makes sense in a world packed with tech-heavy middleweights, I've just spent a full road test day with it, and here's the honest take. Right away, the bike still feels very KTM, sharp, aggressive, and a little unfiltered. The Parallel Twin has that punchy mid-range that makes city riding fun and highway pulls surprisingly strong. Where things get interesting is the tech update. The new TFT Dash is cleaner, faster, and finally feels premium. Rider modes are more intuitive, and traction control steps in smoothly without killing the fun. On twisty roads, the chassis is still the star. It's light, flickable, and gives you confidence pushing harder than you probably should. Suspension is firm, but not uncomfortable for daily use. Now the big question: price versus value. It's not the cheapest in its class anymore, and rivals are catching up fast with more electronics and comfort. But here's my verdict. If you want raw riding engagement with just enough modern tech, this bike still hits hard. Thanks for watching.